Today, Alabama's law that requires you to have a photo ID to vote was upheld in federal court. The law also requires witness signatures for absentee ballots. State leaders say these requirements are necessary to prevent voter fraud. Today's ruling also said that Alabama needs to allow curbside voting in the November election, but state leaders say that is not allowed by state law and they plan to appeal it.